Wow, look! A pizza-making machine! Which one's your favorite, Mike? Oh no! We need help! Molly, quick! Mike's hand is stuck! Phew! Thanks, Molly! Oh? What's this? Is it pink versus chocolate pizza? Yippee! Challenge time! Ready, set, go! Find the right ingredients for pizza dough. That's correct, Molly. Flour, eggs, sugar. Molly is good at this game. Mix it all up. Ta-da! Pizza dough! Your turn, Mike. Huh? Lemon? Don't cry, Mike. Mistakes happen. Ah, Molly has a plan. Look, Mike. Molly's sharing hers with you. Now, what shape shall we have? A star! Nice choice, Mike. What about you, Molly? Ah, you're choosing circle. Huh? You've done your shape, Mike. You want the same as Molly. Now what will we do next? Pick your sauces, kids. Oh, I like pink too. Chocolate. And more chocolate. Blue, green, red. Molly's is a rainbow pizza. Oh no, Mike, not on the walls. Okay, kids, pizza toppings time. Looks like Molly is making a fruit pizza. Oops, they need to be in pieces. Mike, be nice. Molly's been helping you today. Let's see what this button does. Oh, try the pineapple again, Molly. Yippee! Slice, cut, and chop. Mike is choosing a candy-covered pizza. Uh-oh, they all mix together. Mike, watch how Molly does it. Orange ready for launch. Slice and stick. Wowee! A juicy, fruity, colorful pizza. You try, Mike. Yippee! A sweet, sugary candy pizza. What are you thinking? Strawberries too? Ready for launch. Yeah, the final touch. Let's try them. That's right, sharing is caring. Save some for me. Wow, look, a pizza-making machine. Which one's your favorite, Leo? Oh no, we need help. Lucy, quick! Leo's hand is stuck. Phew, thanks, Lucy. What's this? Is it pink versus chocolate pizza? Challenge time! Ready, set, go! Find the right ingredients for the pizza dough. That's correct, Lucy. Flour, eggs, sugar. Lucy's good at this game. Mix it all up. Ta-da! Pizza dough. Your turn, Leo. Huh? Lemon? Don't cry, Leo. Mistakes happen. Ah, Lucy has a plan. Look, Leo. Lucy's sharing hers with you. Now, what shape shall we have? Star, huh? Nice choice, Leo. What about you, Lucy? Ah, you're choosing circle. Huh? You've done your shape, Leo. Oh, you want the same as Lucy. What will we do next? Pick your sauces, kids. Oh, I like pink too. Chocolate. And more chocolate. Blue, green, red. Lucy's is a rainbow pizza. No, Leo, not on the walls. Okay, kids, pizza toppings time. Looks like Lucy's making a fruit pizza. Oops, they need to be in pieces first. Leo, be nice. Lucy's been helping you today. Let's see what this button does. Oh, try the pineapple again, Lucy. Slice, cut, and chop. Leo's choosing a candy-covered pizza. Uh-oh, they all mixed together. Leo, watch how Lucy does it. Orange ready for launch. Slice and stick. Wow, a juicy, fruity, colorful pizza. You try, Leo. Yippee! A sweet, sugary candy pizza. What are you thinking? Strawberries too? Ready for launch. Yeah, the final touch. Let's try them. That's right. Sharing is caring. Save some for me. Yay! Pizza Land! We're gonna make perfect pizzas! No, Leo, don't touch! Yikes, you're stuck! Pull him, Lucy! Phew! Are you okay? Look, kids! Are you ready for Pizza Challenge? Yay! Get your ingredients, Angel Lucy! Keep going! Nearly there! Wow, good job! You did it! Whisk, mix, and poof! Terrific! Come on, Leo, you can do it! Flour, yeah? Lemon? Ugh! Oh, Leo, don't cry! Lucy, can you help? Oh, what are you gonna do? Aw, sharing is caring! Here comes the dough! Choose your pizza shape! Leo wants a fatty pizza! What about you, Lucy? Pound and round! Ah, now Leo wants the same! Well done, kids! Let's spread on the sauce! Yeah, blue, pink, and white! Leo, sauce goes on the pizza! Come on, back to the challenge! Oh, terrific topping time! And blast! Uh-oh, something's wrong! Don't laugh! Lucy's been helping you! Aha! Press the button, Lucy! Yeah! It's a slice and dice net! Yummy pineapple pieces! Is yours a demon pizza, Leo? Oh no, they've melted! Watch Lucy, Leo! Slice and stick! Fluffy pink marshmallows! And shiny stars, too! Angel pizza's done! Okay, Leo, try again! Spider slingshot! Yikes! A spooky supreme pizza! What's up, Leo? Aha! Shiny stars for the final touch! And it's ready! Yay! Yummy scrummy in your tummy! Pizza-licious! Save me some! Looks like Leo's got a surprise. Oh? What is it? We're gonna make a birthday cake! Press to start, Leo! Cake challenge time! Quick, kids! The timer's started! Choose your ingredients! Yuck! Not chili! Excellent, Lucy! Your turn, Leo! Yes, we need flour! But not broccoli! Eggs! Right, Leo! And flour for Lucy! Hurry up, kids! Sugar and butter! Chocolate! Yummy! You got all the ingredients! Well done! Now it's time to mix them! Oh, we've only got 30 seconds! Which one, Leo? It's too fast! Turn it off, Leo! Don't choose number 1, Lucy! Yikes! It's the wrong one, too! Try number 2, Leo. What's wrong? We're nearly out of time! Perfect! We needed number 4. Lucy, don't show off! Oh? Where are they going now? Here they are! Split splat! Oops! They're spreading! Pick a machine, kids! Use the speedy scoops to make a cake shape. Careful, Leo! Whoa! Lightning speed, Lucy! Oh no! Leo's stuck! Watch out, Lucy! Yikes! It's broken! Oh, Lucy, but it was an accident! Time's up, kids! They're, different. Come on, kids! After them! Our next challenge is Dazzle and Decorate! Red fondant flowers! Cool! What are you gonna draw, Leo? Vroom, vroom! Chocolate cars! Lucy's gonna make a colorful cake! Filled with flowers! Yummy! Wow, cool! Leo, no! What are you doing? Yikes! It's a scribble sponge now! Lucy's looking for payback! Yucky chocolate poo! Oh, kids, play nicely! Get ready for the last challenge! Choose a plane, kids! Here we go! Fly over and scatter the sprinkles, Lucy! Yeah, rainbow snow! Oh, chocolate cloud! Yikes! It's broken Lucy's plane! Leo, go and help! Grab Leo's hand, Lucy! No! Cake crash!
I spoiled both cakes! I have an idea!
What are you gonna do, Lucy? Wowee! Look, Leo! The best birthday cake ever!
Happy birthday, Leo!
Rainbow and chocolate mix! Yummy! Save some for me! Happy birthday, Leo! Yeah! First family trip to a restaurant! Leo, no! You're too big! Uh-oh!
Leo, high chair is for babies.
Do you like it, Lucky? Cheer up, Leo. Let's find your chair. Oh no, you're too small for this one. Phew, well caught.
Don't stand on chairs.
Waiter, booster seat, please. Try it for size, Leo. Perfect. Let's choose from the menu. Yummy spaghetti, my favorite. Time for food, not toys, Lucky. Great! Food's ordered. What's up? Oh no! Stink clouds are about.
Leo, you can't do that in a restaurant.
I'm sorry.
The waiter's got it covered. Yummy for my tummy. Whoa, Leo, you have to eat carefully. Oops, Leo's a rolling ball of pasta. Oh dear, this isn't going well. Leo, watch how Dad does it. Now you try. You've got this. Well done. Yum, yum. Leo, don't do that. It's rude. No, boys, it's not a burping competition.
Meow. You can't burp in a restaurant.
We have to be polite. Uh-oh, Lucy needs the bathroom. Be careful. Yikes, he's out of control. Quick, Dad. Phew, just in time.
Lucy, running in a restaurant can be dangerous.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Looks like everyone's stuffed. Wow, fruit pie? Save some for me. Look, the 8 planets in our solar system.
Oh, these are planets.
Do you know what they are called?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Yeah, good job, kids. Oh, what's happening? Don't be scared. We're going to play a planets game. Are you ready?
Insert the planets into the circles.
Uh-oh, Venus is too big. Ah, you think it's Mars. Oh, try again.
Mercury!
You got it, Lucy. Uh-oh. Mars looks grumpy. Mars is too small for this one. Yippee! You're right, Leo. Have another try. You go here.
Venus.
And you here.
Neptune.
Let's put you on the right spot, too.
Mars.
Now let's do it all together!
Saturn. Uranus.
Now the last planet is left!
Yeah, it's our planet.
Earth.
Hooray! We did it, Leo!
Uh-oh. What's wrong, planets? Mercury, roll away! Oh no! They're all hungry! Quick! Run! Oops! Too late!
Now I know the planets!
Leo smells something tasty. Oh, it's a pie. Here is the most impatient member of the family. Oh no, Leo, don't do it!
No!
Phew! Luckily, Mom arrived in time.
Don't touch hot things with bare hands!
And now they can enjoy their breakfast. Wow, it's time to choose shirts. Look, Dad is getting ready for a summer outing. Oh, looks like Lucy needs to iron her t-shirt. Lucy, stop!
Meow, meow. Meow. Meow.
Luckily, Dad is around.
Only adults can use the iron. Yeah.
So everyone is ready for the journey. It's time for swimming. Leo and Lucy think so too.
Oh, kids, don't hurry!
Put the flip-flops on first.
Well done, kids. So now you can run. Swimming is the best summer rest. Leo and Lucy are making a great tower. It seems they don't have enough pebbles. Oh no! Leo, don't touch it! It's too hot! Great, Dad is just in time.
Daddy, look, look!
Oh my gosh! Next time, don't touch hot stones or pebbles.
Oh, what have you got, kids? Uh-oh, what's that? Oh, Lucky's crying so loud. Watch out! Lucky, what's Daddy got? Oh no, nothing's working. Yikes, the Lego's broken apart. And poor Dad's wearing Lucky's lunch. Don't be sad, kids. You can rebuild it. Oh, kids, do you think your parents don't love you anymore? Oops, your sheet's torn. Huh? What's that, Leo? Let's take a look and go back in time. Careful, Dad. Whoopsie. Dad used to try to make Lucy laugh, but it didn't always work. He's come up with a good plan. Kitty and Puppy Puppet Show. Ew, smelly. Get the breathing mask, Dad. After changing Lucy's diaper, he'd cuddle and kiss her. Now it's your turn, Leo. Leo never enjoyed bath time until Mom came up with an idea. Bubbly bubbles. They went pop, fizz, bounce. Leo would splish and splash, having fun in the bathtub. Until one day, he got soap in his eye. But Mom knew what to do. Magic kisses always help boo-boos. Then, puppet time! Now you know how much they love you both. And look, the puppets! Kids, I think Mom and Dad need your help. Look, Lucky, it's showtime! Yeah, you did it, kids! Oops, looks like Dad still needs help. Smile, everyone! Look, there's a new photo in the family album.
Parents love us!
Yeah.
That's right, Lucy. And we love them too. Yeah! It's time for Lucy's shot. Don't be scared. It'll be over soon. See? It only stings for a second. Huh? What do you want the pen for? Lucy, why did you do that? Ah, Lucy's playing a trick.
Ow! It hurts!
No, Lucy. You're going to scare your brother. Too late. Come back, Leo. Mom knows what to do. Come on, Leo. You can do this.
Meow, meow.
It's okay, Leo. The doctor will be quick. Ah, the doctor has a plan. No, Leo. Band-Aids are for after your shot. Huh? He's gone. Leo, you shouldn't lie. You need to tell the truth. Good night, kids. Sweet dreams. Dreamland time. Oh no, Leo. They're bad germs. Quick, run!
Run! There are monsters there! Meow! I'm not afraid of them because I got a vaccination!
Shots stop germs from hurting us. Yikes! But Leo didn't have his shot. He's not protected. They'll keep trying to attack you. Someone help! Doctor to the rescue! Zap! Yeah!
Wow! The vaccine can protect me!
You need to tell Mom, Leo.
I didn't get the injection because Lucy told me it hurts! I lied! I'm sorry! Oh no!
Leo forgives you. Lucy, hold Leo's hand, then he won't be scared.
It doesn't hurt. It's like a mosquito bite.
Lucy's right, Leo. Hold out your arm and close your eyes. All done. Protection bubble on. Yeah, well done. Fly up and bam! What are you doing, Lucy? Ouchie! Why are you hiding from Leo? Oh no, Leo, you're a robot! Lucy, you should think of other people's feelings. He doesn't want those toys. Yikes! Lucy, see if there's anything else for him. What about the toy box? Yeah, you've got a plan. What's this? Leo, Lucy has a game. Spin and act out the feeling. Super silly. Oh, so sad. Why don't you try, Leo? Give it a spin. Yeah, happy.
Wanna play?
Kids, Dad's home. What's wrong, Leo? Can you fix it? Oh, Lucy wants you, Leo. Look, Dad fixed it. He's the best. Oh no, Dad doesn't know they're playing a game. He thought Leo would be happy. Broccoli isn't Lucy's favorite food. Take a spin, Lucy. You've got to show you're happy eating broccoli. You can do it. Good job, Lucy. Yummy, scrummy fish cookies. Do you want one, Leo? Spin for a feeling first. Uh-oh, it stopped on feel disgusted. Oh, Mom thinks you don't like them now. But Lucy does.
No.
Good job. Sharing shows we care. Kids, Mom's confused. Ah, Dad's got an ouchie. Help him. No, that's not the feeling to show. When you show the wrong feelings, it can hurt other people. Good choice, Dad.
What a nice game.
But they need to learn how to show the right feelings.
In reality, you'd better show the truthful emotions.
No, not again. What feelings should we show now? No, sleepy isn't right. Try again. You've got it. Well done. When our loved ones get hurt, we feel sad. But we can help them, and then everyone will be happy again. So remember to always show your true feelings. Oh, broccoli again. What's wrong, kids? Lucy and Leo aren't going to be happy.
Kids learn how to express their emotions.
This candies. Meow.
Wow, lollipops! How do you feel now, kids?
I feel so happy.
Yeah! Here come our solar system planets. Mars, don't bump Jupiter. Jupiter's the biggest and hungriest planet. Run away, planets! Oh no! He's a greedy, bad guy.
Hey, get them back!
And very naughty. Ew, stinky. Here you go. Yeah, it worked. They're back. Do you know their names, kids?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Planets look like sport balls. Ping pong ball. Baseball.
What about Earth, Leo?
Tennis ball. Golf ball. Basketball.
So fun!
Ball. Volleyball.
Neptune, play nicely.
Soccer ball.
Oops, now they're balls. They can't float in space. But Lucy has a plan.
Let's return the planet.
Slam dunk! Jupiter's here again. Your turn, Leo. Don't forget, safety first. Ready. Let's go. Touchdown for Saturn. Wow, backflip goal. Neptune's back. Strike! Uranus is here. Ready for the tennis serve. Earth's in place. Try a home run, Leo. Take aim and swing. Pull in one. Ping pong. Back where you all belong. What's wrong, Mars? Mars, that's not your place.
Look! Mars wants to be the very first!
Come on, planets. Let's show Mars the right order. That's better. Good job. Which letter's missing, kids? That's right. Letter Z. Oh no, don't fight! Ah, Magic Z starts the alphabet challenge. Watch out, the floor is lava. Follow the letter path to zebra. What's our first letter, Lucy?
A for apple.
Jump on to start. Your turn, Leo. What's the next one?
B for ball.
Bounce onto the ball.
C for corn.
Mmm, crunchy corn.
D
Oh, my favorite!
E for egg. F for flower. G for grape.
Yeah, groovy grapes!
No! H for helicopter.
Hop in, Lucy! Here we go! Leo, Lucy's flying high! Quick, what's next?
I for island.
Uh-oh! Watch out! Ready for the next one, Lucy?
J for Jad.
Oh, Lucy's racing to win this challenge! Okay, Leo, think carefully.
K for kite.
Hold on! Behind you, Lucy! Oh no! Crash landing! Are you okay?
L for lemon.
Get ready to pick, Leo!
M for melon.
Oh no! You've flown past it!
N for nest.
Phew!
O for orange.
How fruity!
P for pumpkin. Q for quilt. R for rainbow.
Come on, Leo! Run over the rainbow way up high!
S for strawberry.
Lucy, look! Leo, play nicely!
T for tree.
Whoa, that's a tall tree! Now you're up high!
U for umbrella.
Jump and catch it! Who's gonna get V?
V for volcano.
Oh, Leo, I think vase would have been better.
W for wagon.
Where's Lucy? Phew, just in time! Well done, Leo! How will we get over the volcano? Yeah, a plan! Quick, Lucy! Jump in, too! Hold on tight, kids! Yikes! You've blocked the volcano! It's rumbling! Eruption! Whoa! Oops! You've flown too far! Where are you gonna land? Come on, kids! Here's the next one!
X for xylophone.
Jump on and run across! Oh, what are you making? Wow, a yarn lasso! Yippee! You made it! Together, that's teamwork! What's our last letter, kids?
Z for zebra.
A to Z, yeah!